What do we think about our Lull mattress? Honestly, I am surprisingly shocked. We were very skeptical when it arrived in a box. This is our first box mattress.
It showed up in a box about the eighth of the size of what a mattress should be. I wasn't so sure. We definitely value our sleep and getting our rest at night, and don't like to sacrifice hours of sleep or having bad nights.
Once it was unwrapped and expanded, which was a very easy process and fun to watch, you could really tell immediately how dense and good quality the foam is. It's soft and comfortable, yet supportive. So I've been very impressed.
Yeah, I'm impressed as well. Very surprised on how supportive it was. We are not small people. I'm 6'4", 240 pounds. I put off a lot of body heat, and I am very warm-blooded. I'm constantly shedding covers at night and usually end up with just a sheet on. So there's something about the technology on the mattress that kept me cool at night, and it was very pleasant to sleep on. I felt I had the support I needed with this mattress. I was very partial to our old technology, the old double pillow top, and don't like change, but I think it's here to stay.
This has been some of the best sleep that we've had in a long time, and so we love it.